Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the program cannot be start because 2012 plugin.dll is missing from your computer. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, sometimes you can run a specific application or a software, then you can face this type of error that 2012 plugin.dll is missing from your Windows. So how can fix this type of error? So first of all, you can go to your Google search engine and type a free download 2012 plugin.dll. So press enter button and you can find out a second website is dll.me.com. so click on it. Here is dllme.com and you can find out 2012 plugin.dll. So scroll down and click on a download button, and after doing this, that capture code Okay guys, after doing this step, you can click on this download button. After doing this step, downloading will be start after a few seconds automatically. Now here is downloading will be completed. If downloading does not start within 15 seconds, then you can click on this link. So after downloading that, open it and right click and extract here. Here is two files. Okay guys, after doing this check your computer Windows operating systems. So icon right click and go to your systems, and you can check a system type. In my case is a 64-bit operating system I used. So if you are using a 32-bit operating system, then you can copy it. So in this video I will teach you how to fix if you are using a 32-bit and 64-bit operating system. So first of all, if you are using 32-bit operating system, then you can copy it and go to your C drive and go to your Windows. After doing this step, you can find out a system32 folder. Now here is a system32-bit folder. So open it and right click and paste this file from this folder. Click on a continue button. But I use a 64-bit operating system. So click on a 32 if you are using a 32-bit operating system. But if you are using a 64-bit operating system, then copy it and go to your C drive and go to your Windows. After doing this step, you can find out a folder name SYSWW64. So open it and right click and click on a paste button. Now click on a continue button, and after doing this, that this file is pasted in your Windows. After doing this step, restart your PC, and I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem has been fixed. And I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, press the like button and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching, and Allah Hafiz.